I'm sure you're all familiar with this multimeter. Today we will recycle old phone batteries and make this multimeter rechargeable with Type-C.